Elephants are social animals and live in groups called herds. The social structure of elephant herds is matriarchal, meaning that the oldest and most experienced female, called the matriarch, leads the group. The matriarch is typically the mother of many of the other females in the herd, and she is responsible for making decisions about where the group will go, when to rest, and where to find food and water. In addition to the matriarch, elephant herds also consist of younger females and their calves. Males typically leave the herd when they reach sexual maturity, around 12 to 15 years of age, and may form bachelor groups or live alone. Elephants are also known to form close bonds with one another, particularly within family groups. Females in the same family will often help each other care for their young, and may even nurse each other's calves. Elephants also have complex communication systems, using a variety of vocalizations, body language, and even infrasonic vibrations to communicate with one another over long distances. Overall, the social structure of elephants is highly complex and dynamic, with strong bonds between individuals and a hierarchical system led by experienced females. Here are some more details about the social structure of elephants. Herds. Elephant herds can range in size from a few individuals to over 100, but typically consist of 10 to 20 members. These groups are usually composed of related females and their offspring, but may also include unrelated females who have joined the group. The matriarch is the leader of the herd, but other females may also play important roles in decision-making and caring for the young. Family groups. Within the larger herd, elephants often form smaller family groups consisting of a matriarch and her daughters and their offspring. These family groups are particularly close-knit and may stay together for decades, even after the daughters have their own offspring and form their own family groups. Male elephants. Male elephants typically leave their family group when they reach puberty and become sexually mature, around 12 to 15 years of age. They may form bachelor groups with other males or live alone, but may also join female-led herds for brief periods during mating season. Communication. Elephants have a complex communication system that includes a variety of vocalizations, such as trumpets, rumbles, and grunts, as well as physical gestures like ear flapping and trunk movements. They also use infrasonic vibrations, which are low-frequency sounds that can travel long distances through the ground and are thought to be important for long-distance communication. Social learning. Elephants are also known for their ability to learn from one another and pass on knowledge to future generations. For example, they may learn about new sources of food or water from other members of their herd, or observe and mimic behaviors like using tools or breaking into human settlements to access crops. Overall, the social structure of elephants is highly complex and dynamic, with strong bonds between individuals and a hierarchical system led by experienced females. This social structure is thought to be important for the survival and well-being of elephants in the wild.